Hey, good morning. Actually, it's not morning because it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We had kind of a productive morning with a lot of emails and a couple of meetings. But now we're gonna go to the city.
Oh yeah! Oh, I didn't think it was... okay, yes!
I thought it was just for me.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's gonna be cool because we're actually like 1 hour from Hong Kong, so we're gonna go in the center and see some cool stuff. Yeah. See you there. Good morning. I really like your system for holding the phone.
Huh?
Yeah, that's nice.
Nice?
Yeah, with Velcro. It's a good system. You made it?
No.
No?
My friend.
Okay, that's good.
My partner.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah. You can.
Show me. That's cool. Do you know Jimmy Diresta? Do you know?
Someone?
Do you know Jimmy Diresta?
Jimmy.
You don't know Jimmy?
Jimmy?
Yeah, Jimmy Diresta.
Diresta.
Yeah.
Which?
You don't know? Because he makes a lot of crap like that.
Okay, YouTube?
Yeah,
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. You know him? It's good.
Sorry.
You should. You make stuff?
I like make the electric.
Oh, electronic.
Yeah.
Nice. If you like to make stuff, then you like Bob Claggett. He's another YouTuber. You don't know them.
I don't know.
You should. You don't want to eat there?
It felt very authentic though.
Yeah.
Better than nothing, I guess.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's on me.
Let's go. Oh look, LED stuff.
Shit. So what do you think of Hong Kong so far?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It doesn't. It's kind of gritty and dirty, but it's there's nice people and I mean, it looks like a Chinese place.
Yeah. I mean, for what we saw today, we didn't see too much. It looks like this is the very fancy place,
Yes.
and it's all like clean and wonderful and fancy stores and stuff like that. And then there's the other side, which is just very dirty,
Yeah.
and it's all full of Chinese markets and stuff like that. But I mean, it's all cool stuff. Oh look, another Tesla. It's full of Tesla.